Welcome to Alpina's large, modern manufacturing facility in Chicago. We're located in the heart of the Midwest for fast, low-cost delivery to the East and West coasts. Our large saw-cutting area can produce any quantity and size of frames. Our custom-modified saws produce the nicest miter cuts and best-looking frames for your clients. We carry a large stock of aluminum inventory for fast delivery of your custom-made frames. Alpina's talented and caring assembly staff will create the best quality frames for you. We'll gladly make just one frame or 10,000. Our creative and efficient packing staff will safely pack your frames for quick, low-cost delivery. Most of all, our frames offer free shipping. Our experienced sales professionals answer our phones to give you fast answers and help with ordering our frames. We would love to have your business. Thank you.